Meaning of home help.
Home help.
Home help.
Home help.
Home help. Home help usually refers to assistance or support provided to individuals who require help in their daily lives due to illness, advanced age, or disability. This type of support can include a range of services such as personal care, meal preparation, housekeeping, transportation, and other tasks that enable individuals to live independently in their own homes. Home help can be provided by family members, friends, volunteers, or professional caregivers. It is often seen as a cost-effective alternative to institutional care and promotes the benefits of independent living for people who may have difficulty managing on their own.